Hello guys, my name is Akshay. So in this video I will tell about how you can install Fsociety tool in Kali Linux. Let's start this video. So we are in our desktop screen. Open Kali Linux. Open terminal and give command git clone and paste to link. This link I will give in description box. Press enter. So it is downloaded. Next command ls cd f society. Next command again ls. Next command we will give bash install .sh. So it is starting installing. Almost done. Type Fsociety. Say yes. So here we installed Fsociety tool. Fsociety tool is very famous tool and it is inspired by most famous web series, that is Mr. Robot, and it is very famous and popular web series from Netflix. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.